Hello, people. Okay, today we're going to be playing some Egg Farm on my other account. That's very good. I've rebirthed 3 times now, and I just rebirthed, and I'm on the long journey back to being able to get to level like 25,000. Not 25,000, but like 2,500. 2,500. Yeah. Oh, shaky camera. Focus. Focus. Okay, now I can hire the next farmer. And darn it! Okay, never mind. In that case, then I will just, wait and then hire him when I can. Which is like right now. Okay, I'm basically one-shotting him. I just want to be able to... I have some pending blockage. I want more though. That's not very much. That amount right. I don't know how to point to it. You guys liked my Minecraft video. I got a lot of subscribers from that. A lot. Got a lot. How many subscribers do I have? I'm gonna look at my channel. It might seem weird. I'm subscribed to my own channel because for some reason my mom doesn't want me to post. Unbreakable. So yeah, I have 10 subscribers, 11 views. That means in total I have 103 views, and that's amazing. So thank you very much for the subs. So basically I have 9 subs, which is great. I'm going for 10, but yeah. Thank you for those who have subscribed, and for those who have thought about me and subscribed to my channel. Yes! Yes! Why am I not getting very much? I don't know, but I'm gonna retire right now. Maybe not. I'm gonna wait until I beat the next chicken boss. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, macaroni, bologna. I don't know what I'm singing. Well, I do, but I don't really know how to sing it. So close, please be muted. Okay, well that was the last boss, level 115 beated. Okay, yep. Okay, donezo. I'm leaving this video. Just kidding. No, I definitely want to play 500 gems for nothing. Back to being slow. Okay, hopefully this time will be a lot easier. Gonna slap this dude. Slap. I slapped him. Garbage, super, wonderland, bird. Oh, for birds. Turtle, stable. Still haven't got one that I like yet. Okay, hold up. I need to re-roll garbage egg. AFK egg, let's go. Radioactive. I'm gonna re-roll eggs. Cactus, no. No, I don't like garbage. Treasure, no. Come on, give me good night. Okay, let's upgrade it 1,000 times. Or 2,000 times. Just for good stuff. I'm going to re-roll this one. Let's go. We'll do this one 100 times because I do need exceptions. But now the rest of it is going to... Well, I'm going to upgrade this guy like 25. 20. But the rest of it is going to go into my idle. Wow, I got lucky. Oh, lucky. Already minus, like, almost 3. It's pretty good. Okay. I know I have extras, but I'm just gonna keep them because they're good. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeet. Oh, yeet. Bye-bye. Okay, I need to get the this person. This person makes me invincible. Max. Okay, never mind then. Okay. Max auto train on him. We're gonna get far. I'm just gonna say, why am I not getting? That's just like that it was. It's still really fast. Sorry. Let's go get people. I wish I upgraded my bird jag a little bit more. 500 maximum. Okay, let's go. Well, now that I have done some stuff in my farm, next, my only part that I like actually about Bill. Max, Max skins. Okay. And now we wait because look, dude, those chickens only roll over themselves. Okay, hold up, dude. I'm just gonna put my mouse there. And you guys, hold up, I just have a question. Hold up, no. Hold up. Oh, you're gonna buy some people's Ebos. Emerge. This is way faster. I already have like Hurry William. Hurry Alien? Here. Stuff. I kind of remember. Kill the chicken. Kill literally a chicken. You can literally get old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. You don't have farm there, well, that chicken. E-I-E-I-O. Wolf was there, wolf was there, wolf there, wolf there, wolf there, wolf. Now I'm going to be happy for the rest of my life. Okay, 6 more minutes on this video, and this video will get like 100 likes. Maybe only 2. But I'm still having fun, and you guys should have fun too. Okay, I'm just gonna stop the video here, okay? Peace out, people. Just kidding. Peace out. Peace out. Peace.